What's up, guys? In today's video, we're breaking down the 5 best carpet cleaners in 2022. Through comprehensive research and testing, I've put together a list of 5 products that will meet your specific needs. So whether you're looking for the best affordable carpet cleaner, the best carpet cleaner money can buy, or anything in between, we'll have the perfect product for you. I've included links in the description if you want more information on any of the products we mention, and I'll try to keep it updated for the best prices. Now let's get started with the video. The good news, you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars for a product that will do a solid job cleaning your carpets. Starting our list off, we've got the Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner, which is my pick for the best budget carpet cleaner on the market in 2022. The Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner has a space-saving design that's meant to remove messes from your carpets, and it has a useful heat force feature that speeds up drying time, an antimicrobial pet brush roll, and solid overall performance. It has a compact, lightweight frame that weighs around 12.5 pounds, so it can easily maneuver around furniture or between rooms, and it has a 20-foot power cord that offers a solid range of motion. It utilizes a dual tank system with a half-gallon clean water tank and a separate tank for dirty water, and while the capacity isn't suitable for larger jobs, it performs well with smaller messes or spot cleaning. I also like that it has an antimicrobial pet brush roll to protect against odors and remove hair from carpeting. Unfortunately, maintaining the brush and brush compartment can be difficult, but the dirty water tank has an easy pour spout for easy cleaning. While it has a narrow 10-inch cleaning path, it offers impressive performance on most types of carpet piles considering the price. It excels at removing grime and hair from carpets, which makes it ideal for pet owners. The PowerDash uses heat cleaning to dissolve stubborn dirt for in-depth sanitization, and it has a convenient heat force feature that helps dry the carpet much faster than competitors. While it lacks the bells and whistles of luxurious models like the Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner, it's incredibly easy to use and suitable for smaller apartments. The Hoover PowerDash carpet cleaner is an affordable option that offers impressive cleaning power, a compact design, and quick drying times, which makes it ideal for entry-level users or smaller spaces. If you're looking for an easy-to-use carpet cleaner that has all the essential features at a reasonable price, this might be the perfect option for you. For anyone who wants a carpet cleaner that offers solid build quality and comparable cleaning performance to more premium models, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe is an excellent option that provides solid value for the money. Hoover has several high-quality options to choose from, and the Power Scrub Deluxe is a no-frills cleaner that can effectively remove dirt or allergens, wash carpet fibers to eliminate odors, and clean medium-sized spaces for a relatively affordable price. It's a little heavier than the PowerDash, but it only weighs around 19 pounds and is easy to move around your home. It has a dual tank design that's ideal for small or medium-sized homes, and it has separate containers for clean water and the Clean Plus cleaning solution to ensure you get an optimal blend, which is convenient because most models require you to mix the solution yourself. I also like that it automatically shuts off when the dirty water tank is full, so you don't need to constantly monitor the levels while cleaning, but the water tank can be prone to leaking at times. It has easily accessible controls that allow you to toggle the cleaning modes, which includes a washing mode for cleaning carpets and a rinse mode that doesn't dispense soap to remove the solution from your carpets. It utilizes 360-degree brushes that scrub fibers from every angle for more efficient performance and a dual V nozzle that delivers strong, even suction to remove dirt and stains, although pre-treatment is required to remove particularly stubborn stains. It also comes with a stair tool, an upholstery tool for sensitive surfaces, a crevice tool for tough-to-reach areas, a sample bottle of carpet cleaning solution, and an 8-foot hose extension. Overall, the Power Scrub Deluxe is one of the best carpet cleaners for the money because of its thoughtful design and more powerful cleaning performance than cheaper models such as the PowerDash. This is a great option if you're looking for a carpet cleaner that will provide a deep clean and eliminate most pet stains or odors without breaking the bank. Some users might be looking for a carpet cleaner that has several versatile attachments, an easy maintenance process, and enough power to tackle nearly any job. The Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner is my choice as the best carpet cleaner for most people in 2022. Not everyone requires premium features, and the Hoover Smartwash automatic carpet cleaner comes with a wide cleaning path for more efficient cleaning, an intuitive assembly process, and high-quality performance that's well-suited for any household task, which makes it ideal for almost anyone. While it's not the lightest option available, the built-in wheels make it easy to maneuver. You get a user-friendly assembly process, a long 22-foot power cord, and a low-profile build to fit underneath furniture. I like that it has a triggerless handle, so you don't need to constantly hold a button. The removable nozzle allows you to easily maintain the brushes, and the dirty water tank has a large opening for deep cleaning. Like the previously mentioned PowerDash, it utilizes a dual-tank water system that offers a half-gallon dirty water tank, but it has a bigger 1-gallon clean water tank that's suitable for larger apartments. You get a 12.75-inch cleaning head to efficiently cover more ground. It utilizes automatic motion sensing technology that dispenses cleaning solution when pushed forward and reverts to a drying mode when pushed backward, but it lacks a quiet clean mode. Unlike the other options on this list, it has an auto mix feature that automatically dispenses an appropriate amount of solution depending on the task. The Flex Force power brushes are effective at removing most dirt and stubborn stains from carpets or upholstery. You also get several attachments for various applications, including a 12-foot hose and an antimicrobial pet tool to remove pet stains. The Hoover Smartwash doesn't offer the same cleaning power as the BISSELL Big Green, but it's more than enough for any household task and offers a convenient auto mix feature to optimize results. I would recommend this if you're looking for a carpet cleaner that can handle larger jobs, offers excellent versatility, and can fit underneath most obstacles. Now for anyone who wants a carpet cleaner with excellent cleaning performance around the house, impressive build quality, and a high-capacity water tank for larger jobs, the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is my choice as the best carpet cleaner for pets in 2022. Carpet cleaners offer a convenient way to keep your home tidy, and the BISSELL ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro is one of the best options on the market. It's designed with pet owners in mind and can remove dirt, odors, and stains more effectively than traditional vacuums. It comes mostly assembled for user convenience, but you must manually attach certain parts, such as the handle. Unfortunately, the design is relatively large and requires a bigger space for storage, but it remains easy to maneuver. Both tanks offer an ample 1-gallon capacity, which is more than adequate for larger areas, but certain settings rapidly drain the tank. I like that the nozzle and brush cover is removable, so long-term maintenance is a breeze. You also get a 5-year limited warranty and a drawstring bag for storage. It has an 11-inch wide path to cover larger areas with a single pass, and it comes with a useful pre-treatment feature to break apart stubborn stains, which delivers more in-depth cleaning than the Hoover Smartwash that was mentioned earlier. You get 2 dedicated cleaning modes, including an express mode to quickly clean and a max clean mode for tougher jobs. Unfortunately, it doesn't actually heat the water, but it automatically shuts off when the dirty tank is full for convenience. It comes with a clean shot pre-treater pedal, a 3-inch tough stain tool, a trial-sized bottle of their professional pet urine eliminator plus oxy, and a 2-in-1 pet upholstery tool. The ProHeat 2X Revolution Pet Pro produces more cleaning power than the previously mentioned options and offers a pre-treatment feature for caked-in grime, which makes it ideal for pet owners. This is a great option for multi-pet households or anyone that's looking for a carpet cleaner that's easy to move around, has versatile cleaning modes, and can eliminate stubborn messes. If you truly want the best of the best and the most powerful carpet cleaner on the market that's designed for commercial applications, the BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is an outstanding carpet cleaner. The BISSELL Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a large, serious machine that's designed for heavy-duty usage in larger jobs. It delivers exceptional, class-leading results to keep your home cleaner than ever. It comes pre-assembled and ready to use, so all you need to do is fill it up to start cleaning. It has a large frame that requires a lot of storage space, and the 40-pound frame can slightly limit mobility, but you only need to drag it in straight paths. It has an assortment of easy-to-use controls, including an on-off switch and a trigger that dispenses soap. It has 2 high-capacity water tanks that can store 1.75 gallons, which is significantly more than the ProHeat 2X, and it can be used with a variety of BISSELL cleaning products for enhanced results. You even get a long 5-year warranty, although a bag to store accessories would have been convenient. It utilizes a powerful motor that delivers unbeatable cleaning power to suit large, open rooms with plenty of carpet. The extra-large power brushes offer professional-grade cleaning on fabrics and can reliably eliminate pet odors, and it has a 10.5-inch cleaning path that covers plenty of ground. Unfortunately, it struggles with pet hair and requires vacuuming afterwards for optimal results, but it can eradicate most difficult stains. It also offers some convenient attachments, including a tough stain tool for spot cleaning and a 9-foot hose to clean difficult-to-reach areas, although it's relatively difficult to work. It's also incredibly efficient and offers advanced technology to dry carpets quickly. While it's much more expensive than the previously mentioned options, it delivers class-leading cleaning power, larger water tanks, and several easy-to-use controls to provide a deeper clean. If you're looking for a carpet cleaner that's powerful enough to deliver professional-grade results with larger jobs and has relatively fast drying times, this might be the perfect choice for your needs. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.